So I'm going to show you how to put in the Jeep radiator cover, and what you're going to need to do is get these 4 little push pins and the 4 that are holding the front bumper in. I got a little tool, but you can do it with a flathead and just kind of get this to pry up and then grab it with a pair of pliers. And what you want to do is just kind of get it in and pop it up like that. So once you remove these, you're gonna go to these, and this has got a little clip like this. What you do is you stick a flathead in there, and you kind of pry it up. You can kind of just pull this out, just like that. And you're gonna do that 4 times over. I got my little tool, so it'll be a little faster. You're also gonna wanna do this one. It's the same kind of clip. We've already removed it. You know, just pop it out. Now what you're going to want to do is your bumper will kind of be a little floppy. You're going to want to prep this area. I've already done it for the video. Clean it with 5900 rubbing alcohol. Allow it to air dry, and then you're going to be provided 1 pack. You're going to do both sides with this. So you're just going to open this up, grab this little applicator, and just kind of wipe it right there. This for both sides. Okay. Now that you got this piece in, it's going to come pre-shaped, but you're going to want to just make sure how nice it fits. It's going to go underneath your bumper here, so it should sit like this. Okay? And what you'll want to do is before you install this, just like I said, shape it, make sure it's nice. Once you're done, you're just going to pull your release liner. You can kind of pull this back a little bit so it doesn't get stuck underneath the bumper, or the fender, sorry. And it's going to kind of follow this body line here. So what you'll do, and then once you're there, you're just going to apply it firmly. And you can leave that cleared. And this will just kind of go right back over. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. On the driver's side, you're going to have the hood prop rod. This kit will not work with your hood prop rod. You will have to get to the struts. But what you'll have to do is drill out this hole. We'll clip some pictures in there. We kind of did it before camera. And then you'll also need to cut off your little latch here for your hood latch. So both of these will have to be removed in order to put this cover on. Once you got these pieces installed, you can remove this factory cover, just like the factory black. We're going to replace this. What you're going to need to do with these 4 bolts now is, these are how these came out. What you're going to need to do is pull them out, and we're going to put a screw in there. So what you can do is just kind of hook them back in there. And then you're going to put your cover on. What you're going to do is just kind of slide it in, lift up your intake, and these holes will line up with the holes that are in there. You're provided a 3/4 flathead screw And what we'll do, make sure your bumper's nice and flush. We're gonna do that 4 times over. All the shot noise. You just gotta snug them down. Go ahead and pause. Just put this one in. You just want them snug. They don't gotta be too tight. Just kind of hold this radiator in place. And what you can do is pull all the clear. This is our Jeep mountain range design. And now the 4 push-in pins that you clipped out of here, you're just gonna push them back in. And then you were provided with 8 chrome caps to kind of cover this with butyl putty in there. Pull your blue clear, which is going to be there. We were also provided a little plain chrome cap for this, and what you'll do is you'll clean the surface. We've already done it. And then peel this Velcro on the back.
I'll just speed it up.
Yeah. And that just attaches there. That's how you install it.